What's up, guys? Welcome to Forex Success. So I dropped this strategy earlier on how you can trade Boom1000 Index. So my trade currently, I use 0.2 lot to sell this guy, and then once this candle close, I will be taking my profit because my TP is usually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. After 6 candles, I close my trade. So once this candles close now, once this last candle that is currently forming close, okay, the candle has closed. So what would I do? I close my trade. You can see, so I've closed this trade right now on a small account. This is just to let you know that you can also use this strategy on a small account. I've closed my trade on $2 profit. So what happened and why did I take the trade? It's a very simple strategy. I waited for first this blue moving average to cross above the candle or above the chart. As it crossed above the chart, I went down for confirmation. I want to see 2 bar to the downside. This is the first bar that is going to it, that's cross below to the downside, and the second bar to the downside. After that, I see that I take my sell, and after 6 candles I take profit. So I took the I took the trade here, and then this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. Then I took profit. So that is how the strategy is. Very simple. What is the indicator I am using? First indicator is MACD. I put my MACD fast EMA at 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9. Then I put the main signal blue color, and the main blue, and the signal will be red color. Then I click done, and then the last indicator is moving average, which I set on period 40, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. The star is 2 pixels. Then I click done. Beautiful strategy. So I've made profit, and all I need to do now is to wait for this same thing to happen again. Yeah, that's just all I need to wait for, and I'll make another profit. This is a scalping strategy. I just use it to make $2. So before, probably in a short period of time, it comes again. Use it to make money again. Use it to make money again. Mind you, sometimes it might spike, just like this one I faced now. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm just gonna be very truthful. I took a loss here on this. Where is it? Okay, this was it. It crossed below right here, and then 2, 1, 2 for confirmation. I took the sell from here, and then after 1, 2 candles it spiked. So immediately the spike, I closed the trade. I closed the trade, and then I got this one again. So the losses happens, it happens, like, should I say, the strategy wins 95% of the time. 95% of the time. I got this one. I took a sell here. If you watch the previous video, you see I got this one. I took a sell after 1, 2. Oh my goodness. After 1, 2, I sold from here, and then 1, 2. This was a small spike. It didn't even put my trade on loss, and then finally hit TP. You can see. Interesting. This one was a very beautiful one. Got it here. You see, again here, got it here. You can see how many times it won before that loss. Also won this one. You see that, guys? Also won this one. Also won this one. 6 candles. Won this one too. This one also was a win. Look at it. After the cross, one. After the cross here. Yeah, after the cross here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You close, then continue. Okay, you won't be able to enter this because the confirmation was not there. Then this one too. You can see you will win like 9 or 10 before you even lose one. So, and it's not like when it spikes, it's just going to take out all your account. No, it's not actually like that. What I noticed is that when it spikes, okay, for like this one, where is it? This one that lost, it took out $4. It took out $4, and the one that won gave me $2. So if I get $2 times 9, let's do some calculation, guys, so that you see. If I get $2 times 9, that's 18, and then I lost 4. 18 minus 4, I'll still be in profit of $14. You see that? So if you are using a higher account, or for your big account where you can get to make $20, that's using 3 lot size, make it $20 times 9, like 180 minus, okay, that 4 will be 40 as well. You make around $140. You see, it's a good strategy. So the moment this repeats itself again, I go in again and make some profits.